and all my beloved friends. My name is Atul Dwivedi, a chartered accountant aspirant at intermediate level. I am obliged to the opportunity given by Pooja ma'am to represent my views on the conclusion of this orientation course. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards the faculties of this orientation course who have taught us several things in several ways. Thanking you, Kanhaiya Bhaiya, Amish Bhaiya, and Shukla ji for their help as and when I needed them, and especially to Amish Bhaiya, he is always by my side as my elder brother. Thanking you, a big thank you to the ICAI branch, Prayagraj, Chairman Sir, CA Gaurav Mishra Sir, Secretary CA Rajesh Pandey Sir, for organizing this course in such a beautiful manner. And he always made sure that everything is sufficient and everything is running accordingly. Last but not the least, I would like to express my gratitude to all my beloved friends whose friendship, support has given me a lot of power and made this journey of 15 days very enriching and joyful. Talking about Pooja ma'am, I first met her when I was in foundation in 2022. There was a seminar on how can we clear our CA foundation exams. So I first met ma'am there, and along with Sakshi ma'am. So with the blessings of ma'am, both the ma'ams, so I cleared my CA foundation with exemption in almost 3 subjects. So now coming back to my orientation training, so the experience was when I first got registered with the OC batch, I was both bit excited and bit anxious also. I knew that this course is an important play of my CA journey. So I still remember my first day. I was sitting on the first seat of the third row where Tanu is sitting. So this was my first day, and except few, all places were new for me. So I was very excited and nervous also. But the sessions taken by faculties, it was very full of enthusiasm, energy, full of energy, and everything was marvelous, everything was superb. I still remember the first day in which many of the students were lagging to even introduce themselves. And when Mamta Gupta ma'am, CA Mamta Gupta ma'am called us to introduce ourselves, so many of the people, including me, was lagging. But today, after the 15 days, I believe we will not be able to find even a single person in this batch who will be hesitant to express themselves on this podium. I believe this is the change this OC batch has brought into us. I firmly believe that orientation course is not about a sort of theoretical studies or a bookish type. Rather, it is a practical insight. It's not an exam, but what we learn here, rather it reflects in our personality, the way we speak, the way we talk, the way we speak, and the way we do everything. So I believe this is the course, and I believe every one of you would be able to experience this thing. So now coming back to the my CA journey, so it's a bit exciting for me. Till BCom second year, I was not so sure that I would be doing CA or not. My father, being a company secretary, he encouraged me to pursue CA. So I said, yes, I will do that. क्योंकि पापा की बात तो कोई मना नहीं कर सकता. So I joined the CA course, and I believe that Today I believe that it is the best decision my father has made for me till date. I joined the course and in the second attempt, I cleared my CA foundation and currently in May 24, I have appeared for my CA intermediate, both groups waiting for the result and hoping for the best. Not just CA, after doing CA, I have a huge ambition to do MBA also. Because I am a huge strategic management and financial management enthusiast. I love to analyze the companies, their growth strategy, their success strategy, their marketing strategy, their finances, and the stock market. So after in the span of next 5 years, I see myself as CA, MBA, Atul. Now coming to the most beautiful incident of my life, I believe the most beautiful incident of my life is joining CA course. CA course is it's a love of my life. From sleeping to waking up, I dream about only one thing. Only one thought came in my mind always. Only the two letters C and A. It has given me a lot. It is given me a lot. It is giving me a lot. And after being a chartered accountant, it will give given me a lot and lot. So I would like to dedicate a few lines to my CA course, my CA curriculum. Like it goes like, मेरी जिंदगी बना दी मुझको गले लगाकर, पहुंचा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठाकर, यार तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना. क्या बोला है कभी? Thank you, all of you, from the depth of my heart, from the center of my heart, for making this OC batch, for making this journey so memorable, so enjoyable. And from this batch, let us carry the lessons we have learned. Let us carry the friendship we have made. And I am sure that we all will excel in our life. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Love you all.